What's up guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Selina, and in today's video I will be turning these boxes to this heart-shaped photo collage. First thing I did was open up the box and unfold it from the box form. Afterwards, I got out my 4x4 pictures that I got printed from Staples. Because I got these photos printed when the lockdown first started, it took almost 6 weeks to get my photos. Anyways, I got 97 photos printed, and each photo has 4 pictures within it, so I printed about 388 2-inch square photos. A lot more than I actually needed. I tried cutting the photos in one go, but my scissors weren't sharp enough, so I ended up going one by one. This took a long time. After cutting out all the individual pictures, I first started laying them out so I can get an outline of the heart shape, but the shape in my head and the shape I was getting were not the same, so I went on Google, searched up a heart shape, a squared heart shape, and that's how I ended up laying out the pictures to make the outline so much better. laying out my desired shape, I traced around the pictures. After making my lines a bit straighter and sharper, I got an X-Acto knife and cut out my heart. That sounds darker than it should be. I got 2 hearts out of each box, and the dimensions for my hearts were 30 by 26 inches. Next, I hot glued 2 hearts together. Afterwards, I spray painted one gold and the other silver. I almost cried while I was spraying on the gold because I thought it wasn't getting onto the cardboard, but I was just a little too far away, so I moved closer. I did 2 coats of the spray paint and left the hearts outside to dry overnight. the next day, this is a lie, this wasn't the next day, I literally did this like a week later. So like a week later, I glued on my pictures onto the hearts to make my collage. I decided to make the gold one be the boys and the silver one to be the girls, but I decided to make the borders be like group photos, and I realized I didn't have enough girl group photos, so I ended up mixing the silver one, the border, with boy groups and girl groups. I'm so sad I kind of messed up on the gold one and glued the top a bit too high, but oh well, I might put like flowers on it. Yeah, that's about all I did, and this is the final outcome. I made a template for those who would like to make a collage as well. But to print it at full size, you will need to download Adobe Reader, and I'll link a video on how to print using the Adobe Reader down below. And thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to see more videos. Bye!